Okay, friends, so now that you've had a chance to watch the video and you've thought a little bit about how Anna decided to do the next right thing and keep going even though she was in a difficult place, I'm going to show you another video that kind of gives you some more examples of how to do the right thing in a difficult situation, even if you don't want to do the right thing, which happens a lot. So this is the video tells us the story of the Good Samaritan, which I know you've heard before, and which we also watched on VeggieTales. Classic VeggieTales, gotta love it. So basically, the Good Samaritan is about a man who helps someone else, even though they're not someone he would usually even talk to or interact with at all. And it tells us that he just did it because it was the right thing to do. And so think about a little bit about that and use the Good Samaritan as a guide as well when thinking about how to do the next right thing. So watch that video, and there will be one more video from me after that, and I'll tell you about your activity and kind of how you can do the next right thing in your own life.